enkwana embije njogeddeko. First day you've gotten my number. The audacity. Empereza voice note. And in your voice note, nedobozi lye likankana. I don't care. Byokola, notandika kumpa profile yo. Sinabala jikusaba. Inze ndi teacher eno negundi ndi simanya Toronto Canada ndi teacher simanya nina enyumba omuntu atukira okubera n'enyumba e Canada manya ayimiridde simanya don't tell me all that crap sinagikubuuza and then the audacity endala ey'okungamba and then mbadde njagala kumanya simanya mbu oyagala bufumbo oba toyagala bufumbo njagala tutandikirawo kubanga bulijjo nkulaba nkwego. The audacity.
But what is wrong with that, Bina?
No. Coco,
but
first know who I am. No. First know who I am. Oh, she said, "So come manye." What the bag? Muna kebele byaga muno simanya abakazi abamu simanya batugesa nga bakowu nga tebagala obakwane.
Dodo akusaliddewo nayagala kumalira budde.
Anti katika nkugambe. Sinti buli omugoli yafe ya bufumbo. That's what I'm saying. Maybe I don't want to get married.
He has asked you. Do you want marriage or no?
No. Don't your crap. I don't want to know what you're doing. I don't care whether or you sagala kumanya. No dalinda koko. No. Sagala kumanya.
You're mwagade.
First day, you've gotten my number. First, find out who I am.
Going straight on the point.
No, not on the point.
Hello, Dodo. How are you? This is Kasuku. I'm a 70-year-old man in Toronto, Canada. I've been in Canada for 45 years. I am a teacher here. I have a monthly salary of 100,000 Canadian dollars. I own my own house. And I'm interested in you. Kati akujeko doubts ziri zonna omusajja alina ssente oba talina.
Alina n'ennyumba.
Nakugattirako n'ekyokuba nti I would like to be to have something with you. But do you want marriage or you don't? Kati gweddamu buzi. Omugambe nti hello sir, how are you? Okay, this is Dodo. I'm 30 years old. Nkola ku KFM. Monthly salary 4 million. And I'm not interested in marriage.